From twist out to barrel twist, stay connected to see this transformation for this toddler hairstyle. So we're starting on clean hair. My son's hair is already washed, blow dried, the scalp is oiled, and the hair is fully moisturized. I'm going to start by parting the hair straight down the middle, creating two sections. And to get a clean part, I'm using a little bit of Shine and Jam, which helps to define and hold the part while I trace it with the tail of the comb. Now that we've got our two halves, I'm going to split each half into two parts. Starting with the first section on the left, I'm going to make smaller parts for the two-strand twist. Section by section, I'm applying more Shine and Jam on each part to keep it clean and defined. Once all the parts are done, we're going to move into braiding the roots. This keeps the twist from slipping and gives the base a cleaner finish. Now to start braiding, I split the section into 3 equal strands and begin a 3-strand underhand braid. That means I'm pulling each strand under the middle strand and rotation. Left under middle, then right under middle, looping as I go. We're braiding each section about halfway down, then setting it aside with a clip. I'll keep repeating this process until both left side sections are fully braided and prepped. For the second section that's on the left, I'm parting again, but this time the parts are slightly staggered, like stacked bricks, rather than lining them up directly. This makes the final style look fuller and more dynamic. Again, I'm going to continue braiding each section about halfway down, then setting it aside with a clip, and I'll continue repeating this process until that side section is completed. Now that the left side is done, we'll do the exact same thing on the right side. Clean parts, Shine and Jam, braid halfway, and clip. And voila! Now that all the roots are braided, it's time to twist the ends. Before twisting, I apply a bit of As I Am double buttercream to the ends. This helps moisturize, soften, and seal the hair. Then right before twisting each strand, I add 2 pumps of the Nairobi foaming lotion. This combo gives the twist a great shine, soft hold, and long-lasting definition without flaking. I go twist by twist, adding foaming lotion as I go, and work my way through the entire head. Now to speed things up a bit, here's a look at the right side of his head with all the twists done. Now we're back on the left side, almost done. I'm finishing up the last few strands, adding that same foaming lotion and twisting all the way down to seal the ends. These final twists came out super soft and defined, just how I like them. At this point, you could leave the hair in single 2-strand twists. They're clean, defined, moisturized, and bouncy. But for this look, I'm going to bring it all together into 2 barrel twists, one on each side of his head. To create a barrel twist, I take the 2 rows of twist on one side and begin wrapping one twist over the next, one at a time, rolling them in the same direction. As I go, I add each twist into the barrel and continue wrapping, almost like you're creating a rope. Once I reach the end, I secure the barrel with a small elastic band. Then I repeat the same process on the other side. And there you go. A clean, defined, and stylish barrel twist look that keeps your toddler's hair neat and protected. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to click on the subscribe button for more easy toddler hairstyles and hair care tips. See you next time.